Okay, so you see my head right now. This is really how I've been walking around, like ever since I washed my hair for a couple weeks. And when I get bored with my hair, I have to change something. So I think I want bangs. I've never, well, that's a lot. I've had bangs, but it's when my hair was straight. I'm thinking I want to try curly bangs because if you guys go back in any of my videos, I typically have my hair to one side and it almost looks like it's fringed, but it isn't. And I think I want to do a fringe. I don't really trust anybody or want anybody to cut my hair. Like, I kind of want to just do it myself, to be honest. Because if I mess this up, I want to be responsible for it, honestly, because I found that a lot of times when I get haircuts, except for like from the person that I do trust, I absolutely hate the haircut. This is moving. Hold please. So what I was saying is that I typically always hate the haircut. And the person who cuts my hair, because I did update you guys last time I got my hair cut, the last time she gave me a bang, I also didn't like it. So just look, my hair is everywhere. I kind of want to be responsible. And what I'm thinking, so I'll show you guys, my hair is a mess. Disclaimer, I have not combed it. I have not done anything. Like, when I'm sick of my hair, I'm sick of it. And okay, I'll show you guys. Just bear with me here. Bear with me here. So my hair is an absolute mess. As you guys can see, it's grown because it always grows since my haircut. But so my hair kind of naturally falls like this. Like, if you guys see, it's been in a bun, but there's kind of this hump. And when I am trying to get not hump, there's like this spot in the middle of my head. And when I'm trying to get my hair voluminous, I usually put my hands here and do this in the front when it is curly. It's a mess right now. But, so I'm thinking, so I'll just show you. I kind of want it, obviously, from like a triangle here. This is really bad. But I think I want all of this to be like fringe outline in my face. So what I'm gonna do now, now that I've gotten my hair down, what I'm gonna do is detangle it. So I've just got a water bottle and like a shower comb because I can't find my detangling comb. So this is gonna be painful because look how close these, child, it's about to be a mess. So I'll just take you guys with me through the first part of detangling. So some updates. It is February. It's almost the end of February. It's February 27th. Oh God, my hair's so tangled. Y'all, this is for all the people who say your hair's so easy. Did you see this? Anyway, it's February 27th. I will be at Mardi Gras in New Orleans this weekend. So if you see me, say what's up. I will also be, okay, March 18th. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to go section by section. No real rhyme or reason. March 17th, I will be, I will be in Atlanta for the Unashamed tour, which is Reach Records. I've been listening to like all those artists, except some of the new ones since I was in college. So what I'm doing now, guys, is kind of just trying to separate. You guys have seen me detangle before, and this hair does not go back here with this. So Triply, Tadashi, Lecrae, those are the ones I listen to. So I will be there March 17th. So if any of you come there and see me, say what's up. March 23rd and 24th, I'll be at the makeup show in Houston. So again, if you see me, say what's up. I know I said I was gonna come back more, but I just had a lot, as every YouTuber says. But since January, I've been on keto, and I consistently test. I've even done like the not just the test strips, like actual testing, and I have been in ketosis for weeks now. But I just feel like it hasn't been as effective as most people, because you see these people with these like amazing stories like I lost 50 pounds in 3 months, and that hasn't been me. I'm like 17-ish, which I still feel like I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it could be more. And I'm back to my working out. I actually didn't go tonight because I'm trying to prep for New Orleans, and I'm really tired because I realized at one point, like, I was tracking everything and I was eating about 1,200 calories and sometimes less a day, which I know. And then I was working out and I was burning about 700 calories in my workouts. And so I had like nothing to like live off of. And so I was extremely tired. So I've kind of tried to adjust that, probably not well enough. I feel like I haven't found my, I don't know, my balance, but I'm trying to stick with it because I feel fine. I am not gonna get my pillows wet. So I don't know, guys. And I started with an accountability group who, you know, everybody's kind of falling off, and I've really stuck to this, and I think that's the reason why I want to keep sticking with it, is because I don't ever really stick with anything that long. So as you guys see, I just sprayed some water, and you always want to start from your ends with detangling. This is like the longest that I've ever, there's some tangles, stuck with something. So I want to stick with it, but it's hard not to feel discouraged when everyone around you is like doing what they want to do, and in some instances even not being as strict, like the ones who are still on it, not being as strict and still seeing, you know, more results. And it's like, well, what the hell is wrong with me? So that's kind of where I am right now, and everybody's like, ooh, don't cheat in New Orleans. But I'm not gonna cheat in New Orleans. Like, if I was gonna cheat, it would have been like, so today there was like a celebration within my office, and like literally every possible terrible food that could have been placed in front of me was placed in front of me, and I was just like, nah, I'm gonna stick over here with this sugar-free meat, like sugar-free sausages that I brought. Oh, I need to defrost the sausages. So I do go through with the dimming after I detangle. So that's just how one section of detangling works for me. My finger just got stuck in it, guys. That's what happened. So that section is detangled, and now I'm gonna move to the other side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna detangle my hair, and I'm gonna let it dry. Like, I'm gonna let it mostly air dry, because my shrinkage in about 45 minutes is gonna be as shrunken as it gets. And then I'm gonna cut with my hair. I would prefer it to be completely dry, but ain't nobody got time for this. This isn't like, it's no styler in my hair. This is just like, I think conditioner or something. So I'm gonna then wash my hair after I cut it. And oh, this side is really tangled. I'm gonna wash my hair after I cut it, and then I am going to style it, and then I will show you guys. I'm probably not gonna wear makeup tomorrow, just to be real. So I don't know if it'll be tomorrow, but whenever, or I might just show you guys without makeup. But anyway, I'll just be here detangling. Okay, so this is the, oh Jesus, this is the place that I'm telling you guys, this is kind of where my hair just falls all the time. I'm sitting in front of a mirror, so do I really want to cut that far back? I don't know. Let's be cautious here. So let's say, is that too much? I'm scared. I feel like that might be too much. Let's not throw caution to the wind. I say, let's just, that feels like a lot of hair. Is that a lot of hair? That feels like a lot of hair. Let's do less. Suddenly she's afraid. Suddenly she's afraid. Let's not kill the definition though. There's really no definition because I didn't style my hair. Let's go triangular still. You know when you're ready to cut your hair and you're like, oh, but all these wonderful curls will be gone. I had to get that out. R.I.P. I think that was too short. More caution next time. Doing it, doing it. It's too late now, girl. It's too late. It's too late. I look like Weird Al Yankovic. It's fine. Too late to apologize. It's too late. I'm just kind of going back in, so I don't want it to be perfect. Did we really just do that? We did that. We did. So my hair is not styled, guys. Yeah, let's not go into a micro bang, girl. Chill. Chill. Is that rain? Is the sky crying for my hair? You need to go. Okay. I think that's the basis of what I want it to do. So, not that much hair. We're gonna style it. See, I'm thinking with makeup, it might be a vibe, but it's not even defined right now because I didn't put anything in it. Bad little vibe. She been on my mind. This is bothering me. This is bothering me. Let's just go away. Go. Just go away. Okay. So I did a thing. Good morning to you. It's next morning. I slept wrong. So I styled my hair, as you guys can see. I just did my usual curly hair routine, so it's very drawn up right now. So I'm about to make sure it's completely dry because my hair will play me and anybody else who tries to do it because you think it's dry and it's not. So I'm just gonna make sure. I did not diffuse it. I just slept on it. I need to figure out a different way to sleep on my hair because this is not it with this new bang. So I'm just about to blast it with some heat and make sure. Okay, so I think it's legitimately dry now. So when I diffuse my hair, you probably can't see it on camera. I feel like it loses its shine. So I don't even know where I got this oil from. I'll show you. It's Curl Girl Daily Shine Oil. I'm just going back through, putting some in my hands and running it through to try to get some life back. I look real crazy right now. So I always look real crazy. You guys know the process I'm about to do if you've watched me for a while. So we about to get that started. I don't think I put enough product at the top of my head because it looks very uncharacteristically Chelsea. So I think maybe because I'll be wearing my hair like this now, I usually focus my products in here. I think I need to start focusing in there, but trial and error. That's all we got. That's all we can do, boo. All right. So I usually start with this root thingy that I literally just got from Walmart. But I like it. I don't know why I like it. It doesn't do that much lifting. I mean, it does some, but I feel like it does the fluffing that I like. So that's a lie to say I don't know why I like it. I do. This is where I'm saying I slept wrong. This is like a divide in the bang part that should not be there, boo. This curl's not gonna cooperate. Okay, I can cut you off. It's fine. Okay, that's about as much as I'm gonna lift right now because I gotta go to work. But what I'm gonna do now, y'all know my favorite, the pick, the metal pick at that. We about to pick this to what we looking for. I'm not gonna pick it much because I want this to last for some days. Some days. You gonna annoy me. Alright. I'm not trying to look like Corbin Blue here, but I slept really funny and I look a little moppy top here. That's what I need to do. These sides need more. Figured you out real quick. I talk to myself, it's fine. It's not a problem. I'm not crazy. Promise. 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 I look ridiculous without makeup with my hair done. Every time. It doesn't matter what my hair is doing. I look like, why? Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. This is what I saw in my head. I saw a popping lip with it, but still what I saw. Whew, I'm gonna get used to sweating on my head, Jesus. Now we're cooking with some grease, some oils, some stuff. We're gonna see what happens through the day. But okay. So it's been some time and I think it has kind of settled into what it's gonna fall like. So this piece, like I said, I cut too short. I did, but the joys of my hair is that it'll grow back. And the thing about, so why I decided to cut it when it was basically dry, because if I had cut this wet, there's no telling what I would have looked like. Because honestly, even though it's short, it's also not short. So yeah, I just gotta learn how to sleep on it, because I did some, I almost just did my move, which is like yeah, I need to learn how to sleep on it, because I feel like it could have been better. But me forever snipping. But I think this is kind of what it's gonna fall like, so I kind of like it. Yep, I think it's a vibe. Okay, I get that I don't have on makeup, and me with all this hair without makeup is a little weird. I'm not like, oh, I need makeup, but with this, yeah. So all right guys, okay, bye.